scared?
And I got AAA coming. I told them to please expedite, but people are being really ugly out here, and I'm just like, oh my god. It's got this ticking noise.
Is it a dead battery or something?
It's possibly the battery, and they just need a jump. Possibly, I think that might be it.
Yeah,
because the interior lights are on, and I'm getting just a little.
For us?
That's correct.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
It's about 6108, 1034.
I think 3 of us, we should be all right. I appreciate it though.
Yes.
We're just gonna go over there.
We're gonna hold it and we're gonna push. All right, Anthony. Whatever. Cut it. Cut the wheel. Keep cutting. Good job. Now straighten up. Turn it to the right. Turn it to the right. Turn it.
You can help her out.
7 and 9, just advise if you're going to need traffic control system.
We're gonna keep going here. Keep the momentum. Ready? Here you.
Oh, it's all right. Thank y'all so very, very much. Oh my gosh, you guys are saints. And partners, so before we slide back. Oh.
Alright, you got AAA on the way? Alright.
Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.
Yeah, let us know if you need anything else, alright?
Take her eastbound, San Antonio.
There you
They
go.
pull in City parking lot, top left corner.
Thank y'all again.
Yeah. No problem.